Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a forward edge and your cruise control doesn't work, guys, we're going to cover the top reasons why your cruise control may not work. So make sure you stand till the end, guys. We will share quite helpful information. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, guys, first generation forward edge, will guys have at least 200 videos made. Why we do that? Why we take our cars completely apart? Simply, guys, because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that, you can check out. We have the link in the description of the video below to see where we get our things from for usually pretty good price and extremely quick shipping as well. This is, guys, a 2009 Ford Edge, and we'll demonstrate on that thing. Now, you have a few options, guys. If you have a traction control or ABS and ABS light on, guys, your cruise control will not work, most likely. This could be due because of a bad ABS traction control module. It could be a bad ABS wheel sensor. But in that case, guys, okay, you're going to know for sure because the ABS and traction control light will be on. Okay, this is super easy, guys. Now, if that's not the case, what else it could be? Let's say you don't have any lights and cruise control still doesn't work, guys. Now we're going to share another reason, but make sure to stand till the end because we'll share the most common one as well. Your switches, guys. Switches, they do wear out. In addition, guys, sometimes people spill things on the switches. Let's say a drink, water, something, or even when you detail, you get them wet, they quit working. If the switch doesn't turn on and off, okay, what will happen? Cruise control will not work, guys. So that could be another thing. Now, if all that is good, but none of the switches, guys, work, okay, what could be? It could be a bad cork spring as well. Sometimes it could be just the wire for the cruise control switches, but usually if the cork spring goes bad, I've noticed that many of the switches will not work. So that's guys, another reason. Okay, it could be bad ABS module, it could be a wheel speed sensor, it could be bad switches, right? Okay, what else? It could be, guys, a fuse. Okay, we have a fuse and we have the video on the channel, but the most common reason, guys, okay, is called a brake light switch. You have a switch, guys, above your brake pedal that detects if the brake pedal is depressed, okay, so it can actually activate the brake lights, and if you have the cruise control, it's going to actually deactivate the cruise control. So where that switch is, okay, check it out now. Okay, that blue thing above the brake pedal, this thing right here, this is a brake light switch, guys. Turn it clockwise, pull it out. This is it. This is the number one reason, okay, for the cruise control not to work. Why? Simply, guys, because, okay, it may not work, and as a result, the car will disable the cruise control, because if you have the cruise control activated, the computer will not know when you press the brake pedal to deactivate it. So that's why if your cruise control doesn't work, check out that and replace that thing first. If you want to know how to test the brake light switch, we have the video on the channel. Check it out, guys. You can see how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.